What is the link between iron and dopamine? Have you ever wondered how something as simple as iron could affect your brain? Today, we are going to look at the connection between iron and dopamine, especially in the context of schizophrenia. Iron is a mineral that plays a key role in many functions in our body, including the production of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that help brain cells communicate with each other. One of these important neurotransmitters is dopamine. Dopamine is crucial for mood, motivation, and pleasure. In schizophrenia, dopamine is particularly significant because abnormal dopamine signaling is linked to the symptoms of the disorder. But how does iron come into play? Well, iron is essential for the enzymes that help produce dopamine. When the body lacks sufficient iron, it struggles to make dopamine effectively. This can lead to lower dopamine levels or changes in how dopamine receptors function. Research has shown that iron deficiency can reduce the number of dopamine D2 receptors. These receptors are vital for how dopamine influences behavior. In studies with animals, iron deficient rats have shown lower levels of dopamine D2 receptors and altered responses to dopamine. This suggests that iron deficiency could impact how dopamine works in the brain. When we look at schizophrenia, both iron and dopamine are areas of interest for researchers. Studies indicate that individuals experiencing their first episode of schizophrenia often have lower iron levels in specific brain regions compared to healthy individuals. These brain areas rich in iron are also involved in dopamine function. Lower iron in these regions could lead to less efficient dopamine production or signaling, potentially contributing to schizophrenia symptoms. Iron deficiency is also linked to other mental health issues, such as depression, anxiety, and fatigue. These symptoms can overlap with those seen in schizophrenia, making it challenging to identify the root cause. However, some evidence suggests that correcting iron deficiency might help improve these mental health symptoms, including those related to dopamine function. From a research perspective, environmental factors like iron deficiency are being studied for their potential role in developing or worsening schizophrenia. While genetics play a significant role, factors like iron status can influence how genes are expressed and how the brain operates. For practical applications, monitoring iron levels in individuals with schizophrenia is essential, especially for those at risk of deficiency. If a deficiency is found, iron supplements may be considered, but only under medical supervision, as excessive iron can be harmful. Understanding the connection between iron and dopamine helps researchers and clinicians address the needs of individuals with schizophrenia more effectively.